Welcome to Electromagnetic online tutorial. Now let us look at this question, and it reads that a electrical balloon is deflating. Okay, at time t seconds, the balloon has radius r centimeter and volume v centimeter cubed. Now the volume of the balloon is modeled as decreasing at a constant rate. Now using this model, show that the r all over the t equals negative k all over r squared, where k is a positive constant. Alright, now let's get this. Take note, is deflating. Now since the balloon is deflating, it implies that the volume of the balloon is decreasing with time. Okay, so we can actually say that the v all over the t, okay, will be decreasing, where our c here is modeled as decreasing at a constant rate. So our c here is the constant, and the negative sign here implies the decreasing rate. And take note that our c is greater than what? 0. So our c is positive. Alright, so now to this stand, take note that for us to have this, the r all over the t, take note that the v all over the t now will give us the v, that is change in volume to change in the radius, okay, then times the change in the radius to the time. Okay, alright, so the rate at which the volume decreases with time is equal to the product of the rate at which the volume decreases with the radius and the radius to time. Alright, so what then do we do here? Take note that the volume of a sphere is given as 4 over 3 then pi r cubed. Alright, the thing we need to do now is to find the v, the r. So the v, the r, with this now will now be 3 times 4 all over 3 pi r raised to 2. Okay, this will cancel out this, so we are left with the v all over the r, then equals what? 4 pi r squared. Okay, so and the t, the r, okay, so and we know that the v dt equals negative c, right? And okay, we've gotten this, so we now have that the v dt then equals the v dr then times the r dt. Now where our dv dt equals negative c, know that dv dr equals what? 4 pi r squared. So here we have that negative c then equals dv dr is 4 pi r squared. Now 4 pi r squared then times the r dt. Okay, now we have to make the r dt the result of relation, which means we divide both sides by 4 pi r squared. So giving us that the r all over the t will then give us negative c then all over 4 pi r squared. Now since here we are having an r squared, it implies that c all over 4 pi will give us what? K. So where k now will be c all over 4 pi. So the r dt will then give us negative k all over r squared. Final answer. If you love what I've just done, please don't forget to share this video. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.